Cough is a very common symptom that helps to protect our organism from the intrusion of foreign bodies in the respiratory tract. What can be the remedies for this problem? In most cases, the cough is treated empirically, trying to attenuate the severity and the duration of the symptom. For this purpose, the following drugs can be assumed: antitussive, such as codeine, to minimize the cough reflex; cough suppressants, such as dextromethorphan, which completely eliminate the reflex, although remember, coughing is important for eliminating foreign bodies from the respiratory system; decongestant antihistamine drugs, which, however, are used less and less due to their limited benefits. If the cough has a bacterial origin, antibiotic therapy for up to 6 weeks based on amoxicillin, clavulanate, or with levofloxacin taken orally is recommended. See you soon in Med4Care!